Hi, in this video I am going to show you the demo of Carousel, which mostly people call it slider, that how you can create a slider in Bootstrap 4. So firstly let me give you the demo of this, that how it is going on. Actually this is the slider that you are looking on the screen, and here are two arrows, left arrow and right arrow, right? So these are call as navigation, means previous and next. In order to go to the next slider, you will click on the right side, and if you want to go to left side, then you will click on the left arrow, right? So actually the main motive of showing this working is the main motive of this specific video is to show you that how you can create the slider and what are the necessary things which are needed to implement these. So let's go to the coding part, that how I implemented this, so which is really important for you. So three things you have to keep in mind, which are firstly you have to link the bootstrap.min.css file. So I am using here the Bootstrap 4. So you can use CDN, as well as you can also use this file as a offline. I have also created a video of jQuery and jQuery in which I implemented the concept that how you can use a specific library offline. But for now in this video I am going to use the CDN. CDN means this will work online. So and the next thing is jquery.min.js. I have also needed the jQuery file in order to use the carousel, because carousel will work through the jQuery. And one more thing we have needed is bootstrap.min.js. So these three files are really important. These three links, right now we are using links. So these are the three things that we have needed in order to run the carousel successfully, means slider successfully. So from where you can use is these are the two JavaScript files and one is CSS. So you can go to you can also go to W3 School. So for say example you have needed, these three links. So what you will do is you will search here Carousel Bootstrap 4, Carousel Bootstrap 4. So once you will search here, then you will definitely find some links. For example, Bootstrap 4 Carousel. So here there would be the example, right? So you have to click on try it yourself, and here are all those links which you have needed. So these are the links I have also copied from here. So actually there are more files, but from here you have to copy only these three. So these three links you have to copy from here and you have to paste into your file. So I have also copied from here and pasted here, right? So now we should go through the code, that how I have used the classes of Bootstrap 4 in order to run the carousel, right? Firstly I have a title demo of carousel, right, which you have seen on the screen. This one, demo of carousel, right? And the next thing is we have a div in which I have given an ID equal to demo class container in order to keep some space on the left and right side of the whole content, and carousel. This class will show you the carousel, actually the slider, right? And slide means this is automatically going to slide. For example, if you will remove this from here, then the carousel, the slider will not automatically slide. You have to click on the left arrow, previous and next, right? So next is data ride is carousel. This is also one of the property that is needed here. And then after we have UL and LI. You can say this is the list. Carousel indicators means through you can say that this maintains the sequence of carousel, that one after the other will slide. So we have data target demo, hash demo means this ID. So at a time only single carousel would be shown, because of which we have only single ID mentioned here. Here is also one same ID and same ID, right? So next is data slide to 0, 1 and 2. So you will find out here that we have these three symbols, signs. So these are because of this specific list, right? So 0, 1, 2, this is actually maintaining the sequence of the carousel, and whichever would be by default shown on the screen, that would be active. So we have mentioned a class called active, right? So now we have used images. So inside the carousel we have used 3 images. So I have used all those images which are online. So because of that I have used links in the source attribute, right? So alternate text, and you can also set the width and height according to your requirement, and this is considered as the carousel item. So carousel item is also the class name of Bootstrap 4. So I have used 3 more images, and after that the last thing is the navigation, means left arrow and right arrow, which are showing the previous and next. So we have used anchor tag because of which we can able to click on that, right? Might be you have seen over here that once I hover over this arrow, then you can say that this is the hand shape. What does it mean? This is called as the link. It means here is the link. So the link is because of this specific anchor tag, right? And I have used class carousel control prev, and in the next anchor tag we have used carousel control next. So these are the 2 classes because of which the jQuery is analyzing that you have clicked on the previous or next, right? And href is hash demo. So href means the specific reference, actually wherever the code is. For example, I already said to you that on a specific only single slider would be there on the screen. So why? Because we have only a single div and the ID is demo. So because of which we have used the same arrow on the same div, right? And data slide is prev and data slide is next. And we have also used the symbols. Actually those icons are because of this span. Actually the name of those icons is carousel control prev icon and carousel control next icon. So those 2 icons are showing because of this, right? And those are working because of these classes, right? So in this way you can implement the carousel in your own system. And you know that in most of the cases we have needed these carousels on our home pages, right? Because these are looking so beautiful, and you can also use the images according to your requirement. And the only thing that is needed is we have to analyze that what are the basic requirements for running this carousel. So I already told you that these are the 3 files that you have to include. First is bootstrap.min.css, and this is actually bootstrap 4 file. And next is jquery.min.js. So this is the jQuery because of which the carousel is going to work. And bootstrap.min.js, this is also one of the JavaScript file which is managing your Bootstrap, right? So I think that you understood the concept. It doesn't mean that I have to explain each and every class that what does it mean. The only thing is that we can able to utilize these features in our own websites and wherever we have in need of, right? This is the most important thing. And in the next videos I will also share a few important concepts of Bootstrap 4. Actually I am going to cover all those beautiful features of Bootstrap 4 which are really important for you, and you can also utilize all these things into your into your project and whatever you are doing in web development. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the links of my video courses are below in the description, which are absolutely free. So in the next video we would learn new and wonderful things. Please subscribe this channel firstly to get the information of updated videos. In the comment section you can write your feedback about the video and also write your queries if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.